I'm going to lope off and lope a couple of circles. I'm going to show you something else I use that leg cue for, the leg and the hip, that I bet you never dreamed of. So let's just lope a couple of medium circles. First time I've loped him off today, and it's a pretty cold day. Make sure he's warmed up good. Want to get his body round. Getting his body round, I'm going to lift with my hand. I'm going to squeeze with my legs. Squeeze. I'm going to lope a couple of faster circles. Not going to go real fast, but we'll go a little faster. You've heard me say in several videos that I'll work the horse one harder day a week, one easy day, and then a couple of medium days. So I'm working a little harder today than just a medium day. We're not going to go real hard. I'm going to pay attention to what he's looking at. He's not even really warmed up good, so we're not going to go too hard. Now I'm going to come through the middle. Next time I come through the middle towards you, I'm going to use my left leg and the hip to slow him down. Left leg back. That is my cue to bring him into a small, slow circle, or to slow down in general. Let's do that again. Big fast. Left leg back. And slow down. I'm over-exaggerating my body position on purpose so that you can see, you get a good position, a good view of what my body's doing. Get his head up a little bit. I'll come through the middle and I'll do it again. Push this hip in and see, slow down even more. A lot of trainers, a lot of reining trainers, when they teach their horse to slow down in the middle, they do that by opening the inside leg. Like that. And that works for a lot of them, but it has never worked for me, because the problem that I had when I was doing that repetitively is my horse started falling to the middle when I opened my leg. So I had to come up with another way to tell my horse to slow down without picking up and pulling. To get good scores, plus my maneuvers, you want to do it without no more rein contact than what you need to. There's nothing wrong with picking up on your horse, nothing wrong with telling your horse to do something, but you want it as soft and subtle as you can do, as you can get by with. Whoa. So this is Hank. I'll put a link up here to his other videos. He's got quite a few in his playlist. Until next time, thank you for watching.